Welcome to Business Kitz. In this quick video, I'll show you how to easily browse and search our template library. First, head to the library section. Here, you'll find all of our professionally drafted business templates in one place. To narrow things down, browse by category. For example, if you're hiring or managing staff, explore the employment category. Need something for working with external partners? Check out suppliers. Each category groups templates so you can quickly find what you need. If you already know what you are looking for, you can use the search bar at the top. Just type a keyword like contract, agreement, or policy, and relevant templates will appear instantly. Once you find the perfect template, click to open the preview and you're ready to customize and use it. And that's how you browse the Business Kitz Library. Simple, fast, and designed to save you time.